Securing the digital frontier, Cisco's latest innovations in cybersecurity. Cisco, a global leader in networking and cybersecurity, has been at the forefront of innovation, continuously developing cutting-edge technologies to secure the digital frontier. Cisco's comprehensive approach to cybersecurity. Cisco understands the importance of a comprehensive approach to cybersecurity, which is why they offer a range of innovative solutions to protect organizations from a wide range of threats. Leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are two technologies that are revolutionizing the field of cybersecurity. By leveraging the power of AI and ML, Cisco is able to detect and respond to threats with greater speed and accuracy than ever before. Securing the future of cyberspace. Cisco remains committed to staying at the forefront of innovation, developing new technologies and solutions to help organizations secure their digital assets and protect against cyber threats. Conclusion. Securing the digital frontier is no easy task, but with Cisco's latest innovations in cybersecurity, organizations can strengthen their defenses and stay one step ahead of cyber threats. By leveraging cutting-edge technologies such as AI and ML, Cisco is helping businesses protect their data, infrastructure, and reputation in an increasingly connected world.